So formula, Euclid division lemma formula, small a is equal bq plus r, 0 less than r equal to r less than b. Here, divisor, next the a, divisor equal to divisand into quotient plus remainder. Divide and divisor, q means quotient, remainder. Okay, r means remainder, but r value in between the only 0 and b. R value in between 0 and b. Okay, so Euclid division lemma to find the value of XCF. XCF value nu find out cheyaniki manam Euclid division lemma nu use chestam. Okay na? Euclid division lemma nu manam using Euclid division lemma to find the value of XCF. Okay, exercise 1.3. Write down ma. Okay. What? Using Euclid division lemma. A is equal formula BQ plus R, 0 less than R equal to R less than B. Here A value substitute 225, B value 135. What about Q? Q means quotient. To find the quotient value, okay, to find the quotient value, 135 is divisor of 135 is divisor of 225. So 135 135 135. That is the value. 90 is the remainder. So you can any method, no problem. So to find the remainder, so 135 division of 225. 135 135. This is 90. This is called quotient. This is called remainder. So quotient value substitute in the equation 1 plus remainder value also substitution 90. Here remainder is not 0. Then again apply Euclid division lemma. Next you have considered the value. This is called the A value. Next you have considered A value, B value. So here 135 is greater than 90. So again apply Euclid division lemma. Here A value 135, B value 90. So again apply. So 135 is equal BQ 90 into, so division of 90. 19 1 ja 19 5 45. This is the quotient value, substitute 1. Remainder value, substitute 45. Here remainder is not equal to 0. Again apply Euclid division lemma. Next you have consider A equal to 45, B equal to A equal 90, B equal to 45. Here 90 greater than 45. So 90, A is equal BQ, B value 45. Here A value 90, B value 45. Into. So what about quotient is division of 90? 45 2 ja 90. So remainder is 0. This is quotient value, substitute plus remainder value 0. Here remainder is 0. We'll stop the process. Remainder is 0 and divisor is 45. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. What is the 45 means? Divisor is 45 and divisor is 45. Therefore, HCF, finally HCF equal to 45. So when did complete the process? When remainder is 0. So remainder 0 వచ్చేంత వరకు process ను continue చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. Write down. Next problem. Maybe 195. Maybe 195. Answer is 196. Next, this is answer is maybe 51 answer. Answer 51. Okay, do homework. So that any positive odd integer, please observe ma, odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Consider a positive odd integer. So please observe ma. Consider a odd positive integer, small a. So by Euclid division lemma, so a is equal bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to or less than b. If so, what is observed in the question? Comparing ma, bq plus r comparing. Everyone comparing bq plus r. B is the constant. B is the 6 is the constant ma. Please comparing. ప్రతి వాల్యూను bq plus r తో కంపేర్ చేయొచ్చు. రిమైండర్స్ డిఫరెంట్ గా వచ్చాయి కానీ b వాల్యూ, సో డివిజర్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ సేమ్, 6 ఈజ్ కాన్స్టాంట్. పాజిబుల్ రిమైండర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? 0 లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ లెస్ దాన్ b, అంటే r లెస్ దాన్ 6, r లెస్ దాన్ 6 అంటే 0 కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. సో రిమైండర్స్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలా? ద పాజిబుల్ రిమైండర్స్, the possible reminders are r is equal 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Not 6 because of r less than b value 6. Okay, substitute the each value in equation number 1. If r is equal 0, then a is equal b value constant, nothing change the value b value. Okay, so b value is 6 here. B value is nothing change. 6 cube plus 0 is equal 6 cube. What about represent 6 cube? 6 cube is even. Is even integer, not odd. Even integer. 6 is the even. If r is equal to 1, a is equal 6 cube plus 1. 6 cube is even. Even is adding 1. That is called is an odd integer. Odd integer. Next, if r is equal to same, a is equal 6 plus 2 is even integer. If r is equal to 3, a is equal 6 cube plus 3 is odd integer. If r is equal to 4, a is equal 6 cube plus 4 is even integer. If r is equal to 5, a is equal 6 cube plus 5 is odd integer. Okay, please observe. What is the question? Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1. 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. What represent odd integer? So hence proved. Okay? Hence proved. Since small a is odd, so a cannot, so small a cannot be 6 cube comma 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4 is not odd integer. Hence, kabatti, hence, any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Write down. An army conjugate of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parody. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in they can march? Did you understand in the question, ma? Total 616 members is there. So an army band in parody is selecting 32 members in each column. The two groups are to be marched in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in? So 32 members ni any columns ga ante total 616 members unnaru. 32 members in columns వచ్చేటట్టు ఎన్ని columns ని arrange చేయొచ్చు అంటే సింపుల్ గా to find HCF of 616 and 32. So any one method ma, it is not compulsory. ఏ మెథడ్ అయినా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. So I have using prime factorization method, no problem. So this is a explanation Euclid division lemma problem what you have considered. 660 is maybe greater than 32. Here a value 660, b value 32. by apply Euclid division lemma, by using Euclid division lemma. So A is equal BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Here A value 616, B value 32. To find the quotient value, 32 into 616. So 32 1 ja 32, 9, 5, 296. So 32 9 ja 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 28, 288, 8. The remainder is 8. So this is the quotient value substitute and remainder value substitute. So quotient is 19, remainder is 8. Here, remainder is not 0. You have considered A value 32, B value 8. Here, 32 greater than 8. So here A equal to 32, B equal to 8. So write down A is equal 32 is equal BQ. So find the remainder value. 8 4 ja 32. So remainder is 0 substitute and quotient value substitute. Here remainder is equal 0. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. The divisor is 8. Therefore, HCF equal to 8. So hence maximum number of columns is 8, in which they can march. Will matter in which they can march. Write down, ma.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next problem. So కొన్ని important problems, ma. If two positive integers, important. If two positive integers A and B are writing written as x cube y square and B is equal xy square, where x and y are prime numbers. Prime numbers then find HCF of A and B. So A comma B are two numbers. So here A number is x cube y square. X cube write as x into x into x. Y square write as y into y. The B value xy square. X into y. HCF is highest common multiple. X is common, y is common, y is common. Simply x into y xy square. So remaining is called LCM. X into X into HCF, XY square. X cube Y square is the LCM. Okay, only find out HCF ma. Write down.